Hello friends, welcome back. So in this lecture, I am going to show you the best trick to find log of a single digit number. I am sure that when you want to find the log of a single digit number and when you see into the log table, you would say that my log table starts with 10 and ends with 99. So how do I find the log of a single digit number? And here is the trick for you. So let's start. If I want to find the log 7, how do I do that? Here's a simple trick for that, and I will tell you how to do that in four simple steps. So my first step says consider first and second digit and look for it in the left column, third digit in the top row. So this is your left column, this is your top row, this is your mean difference. Consider first and second digit and look for it in the left column, third digit in the top row, and the intersection of that is your A. Then look for the fourth digit and find it in the mean difference, and that's your B. Then do A plus B, that is your C. Now, third one, now consider the number of digits before the decimal point. Now in this case, as my log, I am finding the log of single digit number, obviously the number of digits before the decimal point will be 1. So count the number of digits before the decimal point and do number of digits minus 1, that will be your D. Now here is a small trick to remember that always log of a single digit number will be 0 point something. Why? Because if you count the number of digits before the decimal point in 7, I'm sure you can write 7 as 7.000. How many, you can put how many zeros you want. Okay, so number of digits is before the decimal point is 1, so always you will do number of digits, that is 1 minus 1, and that will be your D. Okay, so your D will always be equal to 0. Fine, I'll just write it down here. Your D will always be equal to 0 in case of a single digit number only. Okay, now your answer will be D point C. So your answer will always be D point something. Okay, now you have to do only the work of finding the value of C here. Fine, let's start without wasting any time. So you have to find the log of 7, which means you have converted your log 7 into 7.000, which means my number is no longer a single digit number. It has become this big. And whenever we find the log of any number, we never consider decimal points and all. We consider the first 2 digits, then the next digit and the next digit. So the first 2 digits, third digit and the fourth digit. So we work like this on the log tables, right? So for first 2 digits, that is my 70. I will now search for 70 in my log table and not for 7. So let's search that. So my 70 is here. Fine. My third digit is 0. So my third digit is 0. So I'll be here 8451. And my fourth digit is 0, which is not present in the mean difference table, which means it is 0. So my A is 8451. My B is 0. So what is my C? A plus B, which means 8451 plus 0, that is 8451 itself, and your answer is already ready because I told this is 0 point C and your C you have found out. So your answer is 0.8451. That's it. It was so easy, isn't it? It is very similar to how do you find a single digit, how do you find the log of multi-digit numbers like 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. This is also in the same way. You just need to add something, that is your 7.0003 digits in front of your number, and that's it. Your work is done. For your more explanation, let's solve the log of 9 also. Now to solve log of 9, what will I do? First step, convert this log 9 into 9.000. Now this is my first and second digit, this is my third digit, and this is my fourth digit. What will I do? I'll search for 90. So 90 is 9542. 9542. 9542. So I'll just write down my A. 9542. My B, what did I search? 90 in 0 because my third digit was also 0. 9542. And you don't have your mean difference because 0 is not there in the mean difference. So that will be your B is 0. So now what do we do? A plus B. That will give me my C. So what is this? 9542 itself. 9542 itself. By adding 0, it doesn't make a difference. Now your answer is ready again. It will be 0.9542. Again, I am explaining you why did I take D as 0? Because the number of digits minus 1. How many digits do I have before decimal? 1. So it will be 1 minus 1. Number of digits before decimal minus 1. Therefore, I take 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 and therefore I get 0.9542 and that's it. So, log of a single digit number was so easy and you could find it really easily without having any difficulties. So that's it. If you understand my lectures, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.